Every predator survives by mastering the hunt. The golden eagle strikes from above, seizing its prey with powerful talons in a single, precise attack. The viper waits motionless in the leaves, launching forward with a lightning-fast bite that locks onto its target. The red fox listens beneath the snow, then dives and pulls its prey out with perfect accuracy. The river otter chases through rushing streams, catching fish with remarkable speed and agility. And the wolverine ends the hunt with sheer power, pouncing through